Hey family, welcome to Natural's Growth Secrets. If you are just tuning in to this channel for the very first time, you are welcome. I welcome you all, my old and new family. So guys, today's video I will share with you guys another hair growth video, like another hair growth treatment using coffee. Do you guys know that coffee is an amazing ingredient to grow and boost hair growth? It reduces hair fall, and the caffeine in coffee does not strip your hair at all. It will help to moisturize and stimulate your hair, and also it stops hair loss. This hairspray is very simple to make. All you have to do is to get a glass cup or a glass container, pour in about 2 tablespoons of your coffee, add in hot water, let it infuse for about 30 minutes, and then you are good to go. While that is sitting aside, I will also share with you guys how to make an hair growth coffee oil. So to make this oil, I will add in about 2 tablespoons or so to my stainless pan, and we will add in our oil. So this coffee that I am using is a grounded coffee. I will put my pan in a double boiler for this to infuse for about 15 to 20 minutes on a very low heat. The coffee is going to infuse into our oil. You can use any oil of your choice as far as it is going to penetrate to your hair, and some oils that are good for hair and penetrate into your hair shaft to minimize breakage and also help with hair growth are olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and so on. So after infusion, you will see that everything has infused and the oil is going to darken up. You are going to have a darker color, and then go ahead to let it cool down and strain it. Your oil is ready. Use this oil in so many ways, and also you can add in essential oil, any other oil, and also vitamin E oil. You can store your oil in any jar of your choice. So before you store your oil, make sure to strain it, because we used a grounded coffee. So you want to strain it to avoid particles getting into your hair scalp. conditioner or a hair mask with this coffee oil. So just take a little bit of your coffee oil, about 3 or 2 tablespoons, and then mix it in a bowl. Add in a little bit of honey and aloe vera gel. Mix it very well and apply it to your hair as a conditioner or as a mask. It softens your hair, and the honey is an humectant which helps to draw moisture to your hair, and the aloe vera will help soothe and cool your scalp. It also works well with any type of oil. You can mix any type of oil with the coffee oil. So guys, this mixture is very powerful. So this is my aloe vera gel. I will add it to it right now. Mix it together. I will apply it to my hair. You can apply it to your scalp as well. You can either leave it in or wash it out, or use it as an overnight treatment. It makes your hair very healthy. It increases the blood circulation, and use it as a massage as well. All of this treatment is good to massage into your scalp and into your hair for a healthy shiny hair. It also makes your hair manageable. It detangles your hair as well. I hope you guys find this coffee treatment helpful and now know how to make your own coffee treatment in different ways. So guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and family, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you love this video, and also share this video like I said before. Thank you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.